everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial in which I'll show you guys how to do a brown smoky eyes. So if you guys want to know how I achieve that look, please keep on watching. But before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Radhika. I make beauty related content and sometimes vlogs on my YouTube channel. So if you enjoy watching such content, please hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, let's dive straight into the video. The first and foremost step in any makeup routine is to apply a primer, but today in place of a primer I'm using a moisturizer that will do the job of a primer, and the one that I'm going to be using is the Pond's Light Moisturizer. This is a great moisturizer that does the job of priming and moisturizing your skin really nicely. Now while the moisturizer soaks in, I'm going to start with the eye makeup, and for that first I'm going to prep my eyelids, for which I am going to be using this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. The concealer has been applied. After that, I'm going to set my eyelids so that the eyelids do not crease and the eyeshadow blending and everything happens seamlessly without any creases, for which I am going to be using the Mars Trend Setting Powder. I'm taking this triangular buffer from PAC and applying the translucent powder all over my eyelids using this. The next step is to apply Kajal, for which I am going to be using this Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal, and I'm going to be applying this Kajal on this area, which is the area where you apply your liner. I'm just going to apply it here. After that is done, I'm going to take a flat buffer brush from PAC. I'm just going to smudge it. Next, I'm taking this Nykaa Quad palette and I'm going to be taking the black shade from this on a pencil brush. Dust off the excess and just pack it over this. Next, I'm taking a crease blender brush and I'm picking the darker shade in this and applying it on the lid. Next, using this NYX eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take this lighter shade. I'm just going to blend it everywhere so that there are no harsh lines. Next, using my fingertip, I'm going to be taking this shimmer shade. I'm going to apply it just in dabbing motion on the lid. And then, using the same blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything. Now the upper portion of the eye is done. For the lower portion, first I'm going to be doing the base and then I'll go with the lower portion of the eye. So I am going to be taking a concealer that matches my skin tone. I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, applying it under the eyes. Taking a flat kabuki brush, blending that concealer. Next, I'm taking the Mars Translucent Powder again to set my under eye and the entire face. Now that this is done, I'm going to take the Kajal again and apply it on the lower lash line and not the waterline with very light hand. And take a very precision brush and smudge it. Taking the brown again and smudging on the lower lash line. Now that this is done, I'm going to be bronzing, blushing and highlighting my face. For bronzing my face, I am going to be using this mini bronzer from Sugar. Next, I'm going with the blush, and for this also I'm using the Sugar Mini Blush. Next is the highlighter, for which again I'm using the Sugar Mini Highlighter. Now to lock all of this in place, I am going to be using a setting spray. This is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. There are only two more steps left, mascara and lipstick. For mascara, I am going to go with the Sugar Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. Lastly, we're going to be applying lipstick, which is this Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Hazelnut 203. And that's about it for today's makeup tutorial, and this is what it has turned out to be. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you enjoyed watching it and whether it was helpful for you or not. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are in the description box below. Also, all the products that I've used today along with their shade names, everything, all the details will be mentioned in the description box below for your reference. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.